You are now watching Rease Live. Yeah.
007 James Bond, the where we're suit and a tie.
2Pac Shakur, murder suspect, appears in court. It took 20 years for them to figure out who shot 2Pac. My whole life, people been asking that question, who shot you? Who shot 2Pac? And now, 20 years later, they let this man live his whole life, and he finally... Come on, man.
I'm happy to switch the thing, please.
No, I don't think we need you for one case, Mr.
Come on, man.
Mr. Davis is
It's a little late now.
in custody. Mr. Davis does not have an attorney. Mr. Palal and Mr. DeJacco are here on behalf of the state. Mr. Davis, have you been able to retain the services of counsel?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to need to appoint an attorney to represent you today. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so based upon, it's my understanding the public defender's office is not...
Your Honor, may I approach on that?
Yes.
Thank you.
Uh-oh, he approaching on that. What that mean? Chad, he walking up on... Don't look at us, you sick out there in them streets of Las Vegas, up in that... Man, he was shooting at 2Pac. Your itchy ass thighs, you funky bitch. Look at what's going on, man. What was his reasoning of doing it? Who you looking around? He got the gang with him. Why does he keep giving nods to everybody? Who there? God damn it. They showing the sneakers. Nobody need to see those. I feel like people came to him and told him they would take care of his family if he said he did it. Somebody snatched. I saw that he was on Vlad TV talking about the incident, and that's where most people pulled the information from. He was just openly wrote a book about it and all of that. He having a great time here. He on something? I don't think so. I think he chilling. He damn near should get away with it at this point. That's what I was thinking. It's a little late for y'all to finally round up your investigation 20 years later. You know, Jada Pinkett somewhere celebrating. They finally got his ass, but the rest of us, we're confused. He said, that is 2Pac. Shut up. They said Rease shot his barber. Who the fuck is they? Was it you? Planning a new book right now. Ay, 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 ay. Man, skip past all
That
this.
is correct, Your Honor.
Okay, have you had a moment to speak with Mr. Davis about an arraignment?
We did, Your Honor, this morning.
Okay, are you prepared to go forward with the arraignment?
Yes, today, Mr.
Okay,
Davis.
before we get to that, we have one thing. Are you guys taking this to death review?
We are not.
And, okay, the state is not going to death review on this, so are you prepared?
Yes.
Okay?
Excuse me.
Yes, Mr.
What does
Davis.
that mean?
Okay, I'm asking, in every murder case, in every first degree murder case, I have to ask the state if they are going to commit it to a committee to try to seek the death penalty.
Oh my goodness, they want to give him the chair. He almost got the death penalty.
I just asked them that and they said no.
Oh, they don't want to kill him. I wish he didn't want to kill 2Pac, but it's too late for that.
Does that make sense? Okay, so in light of that, Mr. Davis, sir, what is your full name?
Dwayne Keith Davis.
How old are you?
I'm 60.
God damn, you old fuck. He's 60. What he gonna do now? What he gonna do now? Y'all could have at least got him when he was 40, 20 years ago. He's 60 now. His old ass ain't out there holding guns no more.
Where did you go to school?
I did like a year in college.
Okay, I'm sorry, what was the last thing you said?
UCLA?
Do you read, write, and understand the English language?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, are you currently under the influence of any drugs, medication, or alcoholic beverages at this time?
No, ma'am.
Do you understand the proceedings that are happening here today?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, are you familiar with the one charge that you're facing?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that charge?
Yes, ma'am.
As to that charge, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
Sir, you have the right to have a jury trial set within 60 days. Would you like to invoke or waive that right?
Right.
Okay? This case is going to be assigned to Department 2. This case is going to have a status check trial setting in Department 2. That date is?
November 7th at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay? Yes, sir.
I plan on, get Mr. Goodman back on board as my attorney.
Okay, sir, if you choose to do that at any time, Mr. Goodman knows how to substitute in, and that can be done at any time. But for today's purposes, to get this case moving, the special public defender will be appointed to represent you. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Lopez, you ready? Did you have anything else? Nope. Okay. Mr. Owens, are you ready?
I am.
Okay. Okay, so you are.
Larry Brown, page 13, I believe.
Okay. Go to page 13.
Y'all like pissing me off, man. All this did was make me mad.
Make a quick statement. If there's a couple of questions, I'll take a couple of questions. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so today was pretty much just a formality. It was making sure that Mr. Davis had a lawyer. The case was continued a couple of times because there was an initial thought that he was going to hire a private lawyer, but that didn't work out, so the Office of the Special Public Defender was appointed.
He got a public defender? Yeah, he guilty.
And he entered a not guilty plea, and this matter will get a trial date when it's set in front of the actual trial judge, which is in a couple of days. He did waive his right to a speedy trial, so I expect the trial date will be set sometime next year, and that's good. I think everybody wants this case to proceed through the criminal justice system. The prosecution certainly, and certainly Mr. Davis will have his opportunity to present whatever evidence he wishes to. And
He ain't got no damn evidence. You just out here spreading lies and accusations, man. I don't believe what he's saying at all. Just out there chatting. Chatting. He ain't got none of that going on. Got the whole gang. Is that the dude that apparently killed Pop? Yup. Man, let me listen to some hippity-hoppity music just so I could feel better about this situation, man. It took 20 years for them to figure out who shot 2Pac.